Welcome to English Leveling. Today, we're taking a look at the English verb to accommodate. To accommodate. What does the word to accommodate mean exactly, and how can we use it in English? Well, to accommodate, well, first off, actually, you might have heard the noun, which is accommodations, right? Accommodation or accommodations. And let's just deal with the noun first. Exactly what are accommodations? Well, when we say accommodations, we're usually talking about a place where we can sleep, stay. For example, all right, if somebody asks you, did you book accommodations? You book accommodations. Well, they're asking you, right? Did you book a hotel? Or did you rent an apartment? Rent an apartment is maybe not for booking, but right, to have accommodations, right? It means you're booking a hotel, or you're staying with somebody, or somewhere where you can lay down, where you can sleep, where you can shower, where you can rest, wherever that is. So that's a house, that's an apartment, that's a hotel room, that's somewhere where you can stay while you're there. Okay, so accommodations means this. And so to accommodate, right, as a verb, well, how can we use this? Well, actually, there's two ways that we can use this. First, we can use it for that same reason, right? So if I say I can accommodate 3 people, that means I can provide a place to stay for 3 people. Okay, so I accommodate 3 people. Okay, that means I can provide a place to stay. I can give them a room. I can give them a house. Okay, I can accommodate them. I'm going to give them a place to stay. Okay, so they can come, they can be there, they can sleep, they don't have to worry. Their needs are taken care of. Now, there's a second meaning that we might use, right? So when it comes to staying in a new area, going to a new place, going on vacation, we're going to talk about accommodations. And accommodate, meaning to stay in a hotel or staying with somebody, a place to sleep, a place to rest, and so forth. But we can also use accommodate when we talk about requests, right? We can accommodate a person's request or wish. Okay, we can accommodate a person's request or wish. And so what exactly does that mean? Well, if they ask us to do something, or ask us for a favor, they make a request, we can do it for them, or we can help them, right? We can grant their request by doing something for them. That mean, and if we do what they're requesting, we can say that, right? We accommodated their requests, or we accommodated them. Okay, so there we have it. We can accommodate, right, people we can accommodate their requests. So somebody asks us for something, they make a request. If we accommodate that request, that means we're going to help them to do whatever they requested. All right, so is there an example that we can think of? There was an example in a news video that I just watched a little while ago, which was, right, families of people who were in an accident. All right, big accident. All right, big accident. Big accident where many people sadly died. Okay, so there's a big accident, many people sadly died. So these families, some of these families, they made a request. And the request is, right, they want to go to that area. They want to go where the accident happened. Right, they want to go to where the accident happened. Generally, this is not allowed, okay? Not allowed. However, for these families, right, we made a special exception. Okay, we wanted, so these families, they requested to go to the area of the accident, and generally that they're not allowed. No, you can't come in. But the families wanted to go to this place because their loved ones died, sadly, and they wanted to at least see the place for some special reason for themselves. And so the people in charge made an exception. Okay, you know what? We're going to allow you to come. So in this situation, right, they're allowed to come. So in other words, we can say they accommodated the family's requests. Okay, they accommodated their requests. Okay, so this is just one example of many. Now you can understand the word to accommodate. You know what accommodations are, right? The place where you can go, the place you can sleep, the place where you can stay the night and take a rest. And then you have the two definitions of to accommodate, the verb, which means to give people the place to stay, or in this case, the second meaning is to grant their requests, okay? To help them with whatever they're asking for, granting their requests. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and give me a comment down below.